Every Tesla begins its protection journey long before the first visible layer of paint is applied. Thousands of precision welds already define the structure, but every exposed surface remains completely unprotected. Before corrosion protection can begin, every trace of oil, dust, and manufacturing residue must first be completely removed from the metal. Inside these sealed chambers, high-pressure cleaning removes every remaining contaminant before permanent protection can begin. Controlled rinsing carries away every remaining contaminant, leaving the metal perfectly prepared for chemical treatment. A precisely controlled conversion coating creates the ideal chemical foundation for long-term corrosion protection. A final deionized water rinse removes every remaining chemical residue while preserving the newly formed conversion coating. Pre-treatment is now complete, and every exposed metal surface is chemically prepared for its first permanent corrosion barrier. Ahead, the body enters the electrophoretic coating process, where electricity bonds a protective coating to every conductive metal surface. The prepared body is now perfectly positioned for its first invisible protective coating against future corrosion. The prepared body now reaches the first permanent coating that protects every surface from future corrosion. The entire structure slowly descends beneath the coating solution until every exposed metal surface is completely submerged. A carefully controlled electric current bonds microscopic coating particles uniformly across every conductive metal surface, inside and outside the body. Once deposition is complete, the body rises slowly as excess coating drains naturally from every engineered cavity and structural opening. Its most important corrosion-resistant layer is now complete, forming the invisible foundation beneath every finish that follows. Controlled heat permanently cures the electrocoat into a durable protective barrier bonded tightly to the metal. Inside the curing oven, carefully controlled temperatures transform the fresh electrocoat into a permanently bonded corrosion-resistant foundation. As curing is completed, the coating achieves its full strength, adhesion, and long-term durability. Gradual cooling stabilizes the cured coating before the body continues toward the next stage of surface protection. The invisible corrosion barrier is now complete, providing the foundation for every protective and decorative coating that follows. Robotic sealant now closes every welded joint against future moisture, dust, and corrosion intrusion. Every programmed movement applies a perfectly consistent seal, wherever long-term durability depends on complete protection. Additional protective coatings shield the vehicle's most vulnerable lower surfaces from water, debris, and years of road exposure. Together, these hidden protective layers create the durable foundation beneath every finished Tesla. With invisible protection complete, the body is finally ready for the coatings that drivers will actually see. The protected body now enters the stage where surface perfection begins, before its final color is ever applied. Electrostatic primer is applied with extraordinary precision, creating a perfectly uniform foundation across every exterior panel. As application is completed, the fresh primer forms the smooth foundation required for exceptional paint quality and long-term durability. Carefully controlled airflow allows the fresh primer to stabilize before thermal curing permanently bonds it to the body. Every flawless exterior finish begins with the invisible precision achieved during this critical preparation stage. Controlled heat permanently cures the primer into a stable foundation for every coating that follows. Gradual cooling stabilizes the cured primer before precision surface refinement begins. Automated precision finishing removes microscopic imperfections while preserving the protective primer beneath. Every refined surface is thoroughly cleaned to eliminate even the smallest remaining particles before color application begins. Now every surface is perfectly prepared for the color that will finally define this Tesla. For the first time, this Tesla begins receiving the color that drivers around the world will instantly recognize. Electrostatic technology attracts microscopic paint particles uniformly across every exterior panel with extraordinary robotic precision. Every programmed movement guarantees identical color coverage across complex curves, sharp edges, and intricate body transitions. The completed base coat now reveals a perfectly uniform color across every visible surface, ready for its final protective finish. Before its final protective coating is applied, carefully controlled airflow allows the fresh color to stabilize under ideal conditions. Color is complete, but lasting brilliance depends on one final protective coating. Electrostatic clear coat forms a perfectly uniform protective film, preserving gloss while defending the paint against ultraviolet light, weather, and everyday wear. Every precisely programmed movement guarantees consistent coating thickness, crystal clear reflections, and long-term surface durability across the entire vehicle. The fresh clear coat now begins to level naturally, allowing an exceptionally smooth, mirror-like finish to develop before final curing. One final thermal curing process permanently bonds every coating into a single durable automotive finish built to last for decades. Controlled heat now permanently fuses every protective and decorative coating into a single engineered automotive finish built to last. Inside this precisely controlled thermal environment, every coating reaches its full hardness, adhesion, and long-term durability. As curing reaches completion, the separate layers permanently bond together into one seamless protective finish. Controlled cooling gradually stabilizes the finish while revealing its full depth, gloss, and optical clarity. With the paint process complete, only final quality inspection remains before this body is approved for vehicle assembly. Every painted body now enters its final quality inspection before continuing to vehicle assembly. Specialized optical inspection systems reveal microscopic imperfections invisible under ordinary lighting conditions. Only bodies meeting the strictest quality standards are automatically approved for the next stage of manufacturing. With every protective layer complete, the painted body begins its journey toward final assembly. The exterior is now complete. Ahead, the battery, drivetrain, electronics, and interior will transform. Hours of precision manufacturing have transformed bare steel into a fully protected vehicle body prepared for final assembly. Beneath its flawless finish, every protective layer now works together to preserve durability for years of service. Its exterior is complete, but the machine itself has not yet come to life. Next, this painted shell will receive the battery, drivetrain, electronics, and interior that transform it into a complete Tesla. From bare metal to a flawlessly protected body, the paint shop has completed one of the most demanding chapters in every Tesla's journey.